Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Teresa at the Tekamah Public Library with a book about birds by Kevin Henkes. I hope you like birds. This is a pretty book with lots of nice, colorful pictures. So here we go. It looks like spring, doesn't it? In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. Have you ever seen a green bird? Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big or any size in between. Oh, and there's a really little one there. So big, little, and any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were all gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. Kind of like the trails that airplanes leave in the sky when they pass by. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, that, or this at night. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Can you see the bird up here? Way up here? Looks like a cardinal. Have you seen any cardinals this winter? If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" Look at that. If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their own nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this book, and if you did, we have other books on birds, and we have many other really good books by Kevin Henkes there, the author. All right, I will see you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.